way into the stands, he was fugily humming. They're finding out now that no chainsaw is coming, they're just waking up. I know just what they'll do. Their mouths will hang open a minute or two, then the LARPs down in LARPville will all cry, boo-hoo. That's a noise, Goon the Fooge, that I simply must hear. He paused, and the Fooge put a hand to his ear. And he did hear a sound coming from his down low. Started in low. Then it started to grow. This sound wasn't sad. Why? This sound sounded glad. Every LARP down in LARPville, the tall and the small, was glazing, without any context at all. He hadn't killed the fans from coping. They praised. Somehow or other, they praised just the same. And the Fooge, with his Twitter account watching all the tweets, stood puzzling and puzzling. How could it be so? It came without Reze. Denji didn't get bagged. It came without Yoshida resolves on being bragged. Puzzled and puzzed till his puzzler was sore. Then the Fooge thought of something he hadn't before. Maybe my ending, he thought, won't cause a stampede. Maybe my fans, perhaps, have the power to read.